Here we go. These are a couple of rings that Bob's going to be replacing the stone in for a customer forever friend that he had the stones, but they kind of, when he took them out, they got crushed. And so anyways, so he's going to be replacing the stones that were in it with more durable black onyx and blue tiger's eye. And this was cleaned somewhat. And he's going to put it back in the cleaner after he puts the stone in, I believe. It's all sterling silver, beautiful ring. And here's another one. This one had turquoise in it, which broke several pieces. And again, he's going to be replacing the stone in that one. And then I have some rings here that I've lost some weight during my recovery. Bob, can you come here a minute?
Hey.
Can you come here a minute? Huh? He's so excited to get up off switch this morning. He got up early before the birds, as he calls it. Can you just take my rings off a minute? Well, these are the rings that I was going to ask him to help me with. Twisting it around. But basically, they're kind of loose and ready to fall off. And so, wanted to ask you guys' opinion, or ladies. And basically, had several compliments. And can you take those off? Look at that. The blue one, the stone has been changed several times over the almost 30 years. And then the other one is just as old, but I have it on my pinky finger. And so this one, if you look at the bottom of it, you see how he wraps the sterling silver? And basically it's so worn that it's kind of fused into it. But I wanted to show you the durability of this. We had somebody the other day that thought it was casted. And I told him, no, it was all wire wrapped. He took it off and he looked at it and he was like, wow, that's an amazing job. And, I don't want him to take this one apart because, it shows the durability of the ring. And, especially being almost 30 years old. And what he did was he just slipped another stone in every time. I'm very hard on rings. And so this is a good thing that he's able to do that. And here's one. This is the other one that was just as old. But like I said, I wear it on my pinky finger. This one happens to be Unakite. The other one is a fiber stone. And you could see how he did that one. And this one doesn't have as much wear if you look at it. And again, I think I'm just going to save these and show them as an example when people buy their at our shows and stuff, because it is very durable. So thank you for watching. Any suggestions, you guys let me know. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.